Hello my babies, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Vlogmas day 2. Guys, we have Vlogmas day 2 already, and me don't know why me feel like say Vlogmas are gonna run off so fast. Me just feel like as me quint it's gonna be Vlogmas day 10. Anyways, as me just gonna start the video, current gone. Me more dry, you see, because me eat the bowl all the one. Hold on there. I really too do the cheese business, but mother love if me did have a pear right now. You know the funniest thing, me always have pear when me not have nothing to eat with it. Now I have the bowl and me not have no pear, but it can't work. And I remember I did mention it in one video a while back. I think it was a day in the life with me, so the mirror in the bathroom mega change it. I really wanted a black mirror, but you see that mirror there, me spray something like that already, the same material, and it strip off. So instead of me mess it up, me just make it stay and change it. So I go give her the one in the bathroom and then put up this one where I go show you right now. So we're gonna just go through some stuff together, and not nothing much. Hold on, come on. Fine. Oh, Jesus send me one plan. Yeah, because current that I'm just telling you. So this is one mirror what I buy for the bathroom. It's black. So my mama did tell me say, why me keep on and repeat everything what me I say? So I go unbox the mirror, guys. Forget about the messy background, because when it comes down to the time here, it's really like deep clean time. Because I'm gonna wait until the middle part of December for like deep clean, like wipe down window and stuff like that. I always just get it out of the way. You see that window here? You see that? Focus here and just focus. I should be hungry, you know. You see that mirror here what I'm gonna show you now? I buy it in a Bashko. And it was really reasonable. Now, when I remember when I'm telling you about shopping, you have some cheap things will look really nice. You have to do your work. So see when you go shop, you feel the material of the things them. So, I don't know. Stainless steel black stuff look nice, but I always go for like thick plastic. That is a little trick. When are expensive, because them last for a long time. The only problem I might have with it if like something for kitchen where you know say water, I go touch it and then you know so the chlorine I go mess it up. But if you have chlorine problem, all you do just constantly clean the stuff them. Don't wait until 1 month for clean it, because you know it's gonna build up and then it's gonna hard to clean off. So you clean it like every week. You get your vinegar, your warm water, your baking soda, and you clean the stuff. That's why I did buy 2 baking soda, you know, because them don't last long in the house. One in the bathroom, one in the kitchen. So that's the trick too when I do. I buy like the thick plastic. No, nothing wrong with stainless steel, but sometimes them rust easily, and every material take the spray paint good. Like sometimes it just make it strip and get worse. I love it. It's cute. Really and truly, the bathroom, the black, I go overkilling at the bathroom for real. But what I'm gonna try to do is bring it up with little green. So comment in the comment section and let me know what look nice with black. I was saying greenery would have bring it up more, like me get one candle with the green and the white and the gold wrapping on him. Just for display. I mean, would I use them every now and then, but I just really wanted to bring up the black. I've always wanted a plant in my bathroom. Mega see if I can get like a green plant. Oh no, we see how me do it. Alright, so this is it. I love it. I'm gonna need no bigger than this. If I brush my teeth, I can't see in this. Yeah, it can work. So when you love it, talk to me. Fix your bathroom or it's a give living room. You can't tell me, you know, I'm not vex. So yeah, see it here. The mirror won't wipe off, so now I'm gonna see. You understand? But yeah, this is it. Is it giving living room or it's giving what I give? Talk to me. Cause you know, I kinda think it a give living room a little bit or bedroom. But I feel like it can work. See it here? You just hang it up so the back look. The rest of something like models. Come and just. Oh, I never shown them. Them here for one project when I go do. So for one good project, me is a builder girl, you know. So this can go one side. Alright, so I'm gonna get some pillow. So the pillow here off here. Yep. 2,150. That's a pillow reels. Show a long time I buy one pillow, but I like how I feel. Have some like a black trim around the edge. And I feel bad and in too tough. It's alright. So I'm now gonna pull it out. Not too much work. Oh, I'm gonna buy one black shower curtain. Really and truly, I never want a shower curtain here. I didn't want something with more line art. I don't know, I think me in my line art era. See, it's like how the living room did have up like the floral print curtain. Now I feel like my love. I know I like the look of, what you call it? I never know no word. Line art. You have different word for it? Geometric. Don't hold me to that. But yeah, I love the little line and the triangle set so and then a conic on. You know them little line them? I'm into that now. So I wanted a shower curtain like that because I'm gonna try something. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try enough to put up a shower curtain and just use like the thick shower plastic. Cause all my shower set now, the curtain are wet up. I'm gonna love that. And then if it wet up too much and then it's gonna mess up the bottom, might go. No want that. So I'm gonna just try to use the thick plastic so I can just always, you know, plastic you can even like wash it off while you're in the shower and stuff like that and wipe it off. So that's how I'm gonna do. But I just take up this because I never did that in no other else black shower curtain. I buy one little soap dish for Jason. This is for 130. Little and simple. Watch here. Now I understand why 130 feet. Him start having a little face routine. And I buy him a little soap dish to put him soap in because him have it in a one soap dish but it not have no cover. But that one here now cut it because it broke. I still not gonna give him though, make him put him soap in it. It's a soap that counts. And bathing rag. Bathing rag can't too much. Never. I just buy 2 of them. I did the last 2. Them never clip on. If them did clip on, probably would I get 3. 3 is a better deal. Me I put on you know. Well, you guys know that. That is no secret. And that is no secret. Everybody knows that when you buy 3 or more. No, when you buy 3, 6, 9, I saw it go guys. I saw the little bulk something go. But yeah, them here never clip on them. They just put on like this and I just take the last 2. They're nice. You feel like when them a ring out, them a go ring out nice. The bag literally empty. And a little got to be and toothbrush. I always buy a toothbrush. That's it guys. That is really it. That's all I get. So we're gonna put up the mirror now. So let's go. Current come back? No. Why do you fast and quick before the lighting go down? That's really it. That is really it. But me, I wonder if that nail they were did there, this I can hook in it. Must can work. How you see behind it though? Oh, you know what you have to do? You have to just feel. But me not grip it. You know, so me in a problem though. The nail short. And then this cave in. Oh my god. And it don't have the something where you can just put the card in. Understand what me say, guys? Look, so it look on the side. It cave in, so it no flush to the wall. And then the thing, oh my god. Oh my god. It can only, what me do? You see, it's a hanging out, but me can't let it because I'm afraid it drop. Because it's a hang to the wrong thing. It's a hang to up here, so. Them here. But it can work. This two. You see, and then guess what? The drill. If the current is there no more, could I just loosen it up with the drill, make it the longer. I'm afraid for left it side now. I'm so scared. What? See? Me telling you now that it's not safe. It's not safe. Nasty again. See, you see a buck up. You see? Look, look. Look. If my beard touch it, come down. Lord! What am I to do? See me hard work, you know. You see no matter what you do. You know I'm catch it. You know I catch it. Give up here and draw. Me have to go wait till the current come. I just do that. But this is how it would look. It look good, guys. Tell the truth. It don't look good. I like it. I must make put the little black thing. It look good. What if it turn sideways? If it turn sideways, how it would have look? It nice? Which way before put it, guys? I know say if it go a long way, but which way look better? No. But me I ask couldn't like me can't see it. I saw me have to brush my teeth. So this is what my tip. This is what my down. Can't go that way here. Unless me have to bring down your hole. To boy, yes so. Now so it look better long. It look more elegant long. Alright. This is for another time. So it go. I'll pick you guys back up when current come. Current come. Yes, they call me. Current come, guys. Me never realized, no? So me can't go do that then. I have this to put up in there as well, and this you have to drill. So a whole heap of black I got in it. So as Mr. go ahead and comment and tell me which color, you know, kind of pop. You know, we pop the black some more. As me I say, I think the green can work, but comment and let me know what you think. The plan is to them plant here what me get from Timu. The plan is to put some on it and like something else, another decor that is not black. You know, just to like bring up the vibe some more. Guys, I know I look a mess right now. I'm sweaty, but I've been working hard because me is a fixer girl. If it not come out good, me not show no. But if it come out good, mega show no. Just finally reach home. Come to me. Guys, I feel like just so tired of me. Alright, babe, I'm gonna stop give trouble. Babe, are you tired of me?
Good evening, everybody on the vlog.
You know, VLOGMAS day, how much this?
I don't want to have my camera settings there. Anyway, okay.
Oh, wait up on.
No, you're good, you're good.
The camera, but oh! I see what you did there.
That's me say I'm hungry.
Myself get tired of it.
Oh no?
Yes, I've been giving trouble from day. I'm not proud. What am I going to play with? No. No, tell me. Because I can, you know. Think twice before you answer. Think twice. Put up the mirror now, guys. And we want your reaction. So, you don't know how it look already. You just hang up now. So, me go. Get it. Man, why you hang up on me so? Okay, go on. Wait. Let me go behind the camera. So we can get your reaction good.
I must have.
Just hold me and look towards the stuff.
No, alright.
What?
It's alright.
It's alright?
So you buy a mirror and more 50 different mirror around here. Just listen, what of it there? But it's nice though, baby. Nice.
How was work?
It's alright, you know. But you know that is that boy.
Okay. So I'll drink some tea now.
Yeah, that one.
Alright. So me go shower. If me ever tell another time from there, me just there I do a bag of things. Like me is a real Babisha the builder. Me did do one could DIY something, but I don't know. Record it, you know. But I don't know if I got add it in because if it flop, you guys won't be seeing it. I'm going to give Jessa some tea.
You know what tea?
Yeah, I'm gonna drink some tea too. But yeah, goodbye beautiful people. I love you guys so much. See you in Vlogmas Day 3.